Trying to start your Zojirushi rice cooker only to find nothing happens cannot be good, especially when the display stays blank or buttons refuse to respond. Many users notice the rice cooker suddenly becoming unresponsive, no lights appearing, or cooking never starting even though the appliance worked perfectly before. Sometimes the cooker stays completely silent despite being plugged in properly. In many situations, a Zojirushi rice cooker not turning on issue can happen because of loose power connections, outlet interruptions, internal safety notice, or temporary system glitches. Before pressing buttons repeatedly or assuming the cooker stopped working completely, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the Zojirushi rice cooker turning on properly again. 1. Check the Zojirushi rice cooker power cable carefully and confirm it connects securely to both the outlet and appliance. 2. Try another wall outlet because temporary power interruptions may stop the Zojirushi rice cooker from turning on normally. 3. Remove and reinsert the inner cooking pot properly because incorrect placement may affect startup on some models. 4. Disconnect the Zojirushi rice cooker from power briefly and reconnect it after waiting a short moment. 5. Press the power or cooking button again and confirm whether the Zojirushi rice cooker turns on afterward.